good car. Right, Diz?
I like this one.
Diesel likes this car. We're gonna check out the rooms at this hotel here.
Look at this.
The freaking stripper pool.
Oh, we stayed in the wrong room.
I had a brand new window repair system box kit thing. I have to line that up on it. But we're doing this because this car was up for sale and nobody wanted to buy it. And it was really well priced. But then somebody contacted us and wants to trade a 66 T-Bird in like really good shape. But it's an 8.5 hour drive. Let's see if this works here, hang on. Supposed to screw into this thing, and then this thing supposed to go on this thing, but I have to line it up. Pull this out, and then you put a little drop of this shit in there, and then it makes pressure. Leave that thing on there for like 20 minutes, and it should slowly fill the crack. Made by Magic Q. Well, this thing needs tires, and it had cracks in the windshield. And I mean, these tires, look how good they are. Like the tread's like fucking brand new, but the inside's worn a little bit because the alignment's off. 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III 2-door with a 460, and it's got lowering springs, control arms, all new bushings, ball joints in the front, and in the back it's got lowering springs, and I imagine there's bushings. And the brakes are brand new. It's a good car. That's right. Fuck.
He said he glued that back on, but he's like, but it might.
Oh, this is the new glass.
Yeah.
All right, good. Doors are fucking always like the biggest Tetris puzzles. Okay, like that. Ha 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 ha! I think. Fuck, that's almost looking dry right away. This UV light cures it pretty good. You know, everybody's like, oh, we don't know if it's from Texas. It is from Texas. It's got a Texas sticker right here.
Yeah, you don't feel it.
Yeah. It took 3 fucking tries to figure out how to get this done. But you can't cut off the glue, you have to like shave it. Like if you're shaving a run in the paint with a razor blade, you know, like old school way. Actually, I think it's a new school way too. I don't think there's a new way of shaving off a run. Yeah.
So it only cures with that plastic on.
Yeah, go figure, man. I tried it without the plastic for like a half hour. It didn't do shit. Well, it's like you're shaving a run. We have to make sure the steering wheel is fucking centered. I'm pretty sure it is. There, that's centered. Okay, I'm gonna go get a pry bar. Fuck hell. I should say I'm doing an alignment. This is not an alignment by any stretch. This is just trying to get it to go straight-ish. I'm doing it with a shoestring and some jack stands, or in this case, a fucking chair. Diesel, where are you going? Diesel, stay. No squirrels today. You can do it with like all these crazy turntable thingies and stuff, but a string works pretty good. You just make it so that it's like just touching the side of the tire so that the string is like dead straight. And then you measure out the front, like from here to the string, 1 3/16. And then you measure from here, 1 3/16. So if that's the case, then it's golden. You gotta make sure your steering wheel doesn't move, so it's on the steering wheel lock, or else you'd be chasing this alignment. Oh, Diesel, no, you moron!
No, eating the string.
No, it's mine. When I'm done, you can have it. This one's mine too. No. Measure your brain? The scale's not small enough on this to measure your brain, Diesel. Go get your stick. Go get here's your stick. Get your stick. Go get your stick. Stick over there. Not, I suppose you can have the 2x4. I'm not throwing it. No, you're gonna have to run around with it by yourself. Hey, leave the string. Don't move anything. You fucking get. Let's take the sucker for a test drive. So far so good. It's not pulling violently when I brake. That's good. Well, goddamn, look at that. No fucking hands. We're going straight. Yeah, baby. Oh, she floats. She floats. Fuck yeah. Let's get some speed there, see what happens. 20 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour. Fucking no hands on the steering. 50 miles an hour. Holy fuck, she's cooking. 55. Still straight. No wobbles. I am satisfied. So let's get on this road trip, man. I still gotta pack some clothes, get the dog. I think Kylie's got the dog figured out. Maybe have a shower. Oh, look at that, even under braking. No hands under braking, hard. This is fucking beautiful. Man, maybe I keep this damn car. This fucking T-Bird better ride as good as this does. Hey, and no fucking grinding on the back tires. I'm gonna let Kylie try this, she's gonna love it.
Eric just finished the alignment, so he told me to take the Lincoln, but I'm totally freaking out because it apparently drives amazing now and I'm not going to want to get rid of it. Even though the truth is I never did want to get rid of it. I would keep all of them if I could. I need to make some money. This car is being traded. It's not resulting in a sale. We've been doing some really good trades where we're getting a car and we're fixing it up a bit and then we're trading up. That's been really cool. It's given us different vehicles, a variety of content, you know, more equity. But we really need to get cars selling. What we really need to do is just our full build and get them to auctions and in front of where the buyers really are. The economy is definitely not doing great right now and a lot of people are feeling that and we're really feeling it. But we're seeing it through and trying lots of different things and learning aggressively as we go. We are trading this for a 66 Thunderbird, which is not a car that either of us want, but that'll make it easier to get rid of. Although we have some cool design ideas for it. Just contemplating where to put it up on Bring a Trailer and see if somebody wants it. Because there's a lot of people out there that still want the restored vehicle, the original vehicle. They don't want modifications, but we're noticing and what we want is that the mods are higher value and are going to be more desirable because who doesn't want an old looking car that runs like new? Like, I want that. We really need to finish the shop setup, which has been a lot of work to retrofit this building. I mean, it's an old church, right? Getting the cars up there inside to work on them has been hard. And we've been collecting projects along the go, having a hard time saying no. Got a really cool inventory here. We've had a lot of time to get to know the cars, come up with some great design ideas, and going off on tangents here and there and trying other things to support the business, and some things were a valiant effort. Maybe we pull back a little bit on the flips and we focus just on build and make a really unique trickster designed vehicle that hopefully the marketplace gets really excited about. That's what we have planned for the winter. That's what we want to focus on. Wish us luck, support our channel, like, subscribe, comment below. It really helps us out. Check out our t-shirts on our website. They're really awesome designs. They're unique. They're original to us. We make them here in-house. That really supports us and everything that we're up to here with saving the cars and teaching car culture and taking you for the ride. Speaking of ride, let's go. All right, car I'm not gonna want to say goodbye to. Oh, Diesel's with me, by the way. Hi, Diz. You like your big cars, hey? Diz? Diesel! This car was going like every which way. Oh, that's turning nice. That's turning nice. Really? Okay, I like couldn't get it into gear. It just had to go like a touch past the letter D. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Wow. He did such a good job. Holy shit. I swear, the car was like way over there the second, even when you were holding the wheel before. It was like everywhere. Oh, nice, nice, nice.
The freaking stripper pole.
Oh, we stayed in the wrong room. What do you think? Delish. Check out this carpet. Very cool. So thought out.
Lots of wine tours around here. There's a beach right down the road.
Yeah, a beach. Great roads for cruising.
It's an awesome cruise spot.
Gosh, look at these smart humans putting beds in the floor.
The beds are in the floor.
And there's like grass.
And look at the stars in the ceiling.
Wow. I'd be afraid that he'll use this as grass.
Wow, it's like you're camping.
The little pieces of wood like thought out as like a little bedside table, like little coasters.
Yeah. You know what do you think of this?
There's the haunted house we saw last night. It was super eerie around here. Like
yeah.
the old.
That cemetery is from like the 1800s, and this
And this
house
house was all
looked
lit up.
haunted.
Today we're sending off the 1970 Lincoln Continental, maybe.
To a new owner. If his T-Bird is to my liking, it better be really good because I'm really liking this freaking Continental. We do have another 69 though. So this 70 is kind of like overstock, I guess.
We just stopped for gas and it always takes forever because everybody stops to talk about the car or the dog or both.
Plus now we're gonna go take pictures in front of that cute little hotel, the Grove, the Groove, the Grove.
The Grove, but it totally could be called the Groove also. It's a retro hotel and it's adorable and it is the natural habitat for this Lincoln.
Absolutely, it looks right at home in that parking lot. Super nice cruising roads. So if anybody's ever in this area, check out the Grove. They got a motel and a hotel. In my opinion, I think the motel is better. Every room is like themed. We're staying in like
That 70s show.
that 70s show.
We're about half an hour to 40 minutes from Windsor
Or Detroit.
or Detroit. The Lincoln is very much at home because it was born here. It was built in Michigan.
Yeah, the birthplace of the Lincoln Continental. Imagine that assembly line. Man, that must have been cool.
That is their hotel location. It's their first location. Super cute. There's a lot of places to eat around here. In Kingsville, there's a taco place, there's a sushi place, there's a cute bar, there's a Chinese buffet. I'm obviously hungry because I know just every place to eat. And then we saw another sushi place by the car wash and all you can eat. So out here it's like rural, it's country, but it's got good pavement, lots of places to eat, and some cute places to stay.
Crap,
What's that?
like the transmission linkage is completely off. It started
This
getting
happens
stiffer
sometimes?
and stiffer and stiffer, and
Really?
now I just let go. So the tranny link just let go.
How the hell did it fly out of there?
Oh, Diz, it's too hot. Let's go, he says.
I got it on. It's gonna need a fucking zip tie, I think.
Are you parking this thing in an electric car charge spot?
What a weird car, eh?
It's a very unique body shape.
You know, they call this one the ugly duckling.
Do they?
Yeah.
Out of the Thunderbirds,
Out of the
they call this
birds?
one the ugly duckling because they did so many like different things.
Right.
But it's I don't mind it. I think it's pretty cool.
I definitely like the body style.
Yeah.
All right, so the Thunderbird, there is hardtop, the town hardtop, and the Lando. So the Lando is the most luxury model, and we thought this was that. But it turns out it is a town hardtop, not the end of the world. On Haggerty, they're evaluated at $4,000 less than what we had thought we were walking into. Just kind of stating the facts, not really saying yay or nay. What are you discovering?
I mean, it's okay. It's been taken apart, fixed, and put back together. Not a full original car, but oh yeah, look at that.
As far as I know, everything on this car works.
That is pretty neat.
Diesel's noticing it.
Oh yeah.
What's so tall?
It is super tall. You get stations from Nebraska here.
We never listen to the radio when we drive. I guess we're always listening to the cars, right? We're always listening to the motors and just cruising.
They did some plastic putty on this. Get that thing to match.
Yeah. Place the whole thing.
Because I think the Lando has these.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, the wood trim was the Lando, right?
Wood trims.
We've been doing a lot of research the last couple of days. What were you saying about the manifolds?
They're not gonna last super long, right?
Like, is that, like, patched?
Yeah, like they have RTV here, so because I guess they must have been leaking, so they put some RTV. Under Mustang had the same motor.
Okay.
So there's manifolds to be gotten for this car.
Okay.
For a Lincoln, there's absolutely none. I tried to buy a set that were sand casted, and they were so bad when I got them delivered, I never even put them on the car. This too must have been either. Yeah, you can see the sand how it's sanded. The
It
chrome.
looks like it is, yeah.
So this is
Somebody's done something.
this is a re-chrome. So they sand them down to get them re-chromed. That's a good thing. I mean.
But just because it started this time, it might not start the next time if he has troubles with it.
Sure. Or I'm really good.
Or you're really, oh my gosh. Oh, so what do you think?
I don't mind it.
Yeah? I don't totally love it, but I knew I didn't totally love it coming here.
I don't mind it at all.
Yeah? What would you rather drive around?
I already have a Continental.
Oh, this is a Lando. They did not have that in the other one.
I may have been wrong. It may actually be a Lando, and it had roof work done, so the final roof removed and then the trim changed to like the lower value model, but maybe it was just a preference thing, right?